In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the Onslaught Alpha, an incredible paper airplane that can fly well over 100 feet. What makes this design so special is that it combines amazing performance with a really simple folding process. In fact, it's so easy that anyone can make it with just a single sheet of paper. Start with an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet or an A4 sheet, whatever you have available. Fold the paper in half lengthwise to create a center crease, then open it back up. Next, fold the top corners down to the center line, forming a sharp point. Now flip the paper over and bring the diagonal edges into the center crease once again. After that, open it up and fold the entire top section downward. This next step is a swivel fold. Open one side and bring the corner right to the edge. Then repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Open both flaps and fold the small top edges toward the center. Once that's done, fold the front point upward to lock everything in place. This gives the airplane extra strength and helps it stay stable during flight. Now fold the whole model in half and create the wings. Make sure both wings are even, and just like that, your Onslaught Alpha is complete. With its sleek design and long-range capabilities, this paper airplane is built for impressive flights. Now it's time to launch it and see just how far it can go.